Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone 16 Pro is running the latest iOS, updates fix privacy and NFC behavior. Once done, charge above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi so settings apply cleanly. Now go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where iOS controls NFC payment features. You won't find a global NFC off switch, so begin by preparing wallet options. This reduces NFC activity and prevents accidental transactions immediately. Next, remove the things that use NFC. Turn off double-click side button in wallet settings so the side button won't trigger payments. Once done, delete every card and any stored transit passes and disable express transit where present. Removing cards prevents contactless interactions. Make sure your Apple ID isn't set to automatically add cards. These steps don't toggle NFC hardware, but stop payment and transit exchanges, the main NFC uses for most users. For a complete temporary disable, enable airplane mode. That cuts cellular, Bluetooth, and NFC radio activity while on. Once you've removed wallet items, restart the phone to ensure the changes take effect. If you still observe NFC behavior, reset network settings, Settings General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings as a next step, and contact Apple support if needed. This sequence gives you a practical way to stop NFC usage now and troubleshoot persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.